Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. So I thought I'd do a little crafting tonight. I have all these fun felt stickers that I bought from this year, last year. Anyway, I have tons of it, haven't used them. I have all these chipboard stickers that I had gotten from, this was like one of those buckets from Target. I barely use them. I think I've given some away, but I barely use them, you guys. I have some papers that I bought this year. I think it was this year from Miss Sparkle and Company from Joann's. Haven't cut into it, so I pulled some out and now I've cut into it. And then I just have like tons of embellishments, you guys, that I need to use. So I thought we'd do a little crafting today. So to save time, I've already cut some of these. I actually just used 3 so far. These 3 here, okay, from this paper, Miss Sparkle & Co. I'm gonna put that aside, and then I'm just gonna pull embellishments as I go along. So I have an idea of one of the ones that I want to use. So I thought, let's go ahead and get started. I thought, why not film this while I'm creating something? Now, you guys left me comments on the little flags that I used. I'll be using those. I made some Christmas flags and you guys really liked them. So I thought, let me do one for Halloween. So thought that'd be really fun. So let's go ahead and create something. So I thought maybe I can use a die that I hadn't used for a long time. It's my Mind's Eye niche, and it is Party Time cut and emboss plates, and it's basically a set of dies. Like I said, I haven't really used them. I don't think I've used them at all. That I had gotten. I'm not sure if I got these at the expo. I might have, but I haven't used them. And they just create pennants, or you know, you can create a banner with them. So I thought that's perfect for the little flags that I'm making. So I've cut them out, and I cut them out twice, and then this one I cut down to size and just, you know, followed like that groove right there. So that way I can just layer this on top and then create a little flag, and then I'll embellish it. So let's go ahead and put this together. guys think? Does it look cute? I think it looks cute. All right, let's do one with this one right here. So let's go ahead and Isn't that cute? I love it. Ooh, I'm so happy with that. Okay. Then last, we can do this one. This one has a little ghost. Oh, and I have a ghosty. Look, I have a ghost. And we can put boo. Okay, and maybe we can do another ribbon. I have a ghost ribbon. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. This one right here, look. Just playing today and just trying to see what I can do to use up some of my stash. And there you go. There are 3 Halloween flags. Easy peasy. Just using your stickers and embellishments. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye!